Ahari Bishop Stuart Demo Primary School aho muri Murambara barukurebuze biwegese okurga aha City Council yambara n'oburebuzi bankore bayikaho konja kuguhisa H10s Bishop Stuart Demo n'ishomero ya government bit ahansi y'ekanisa ya Uganda oburebuzi ninkore omuyobozi wa nkore wa katano Associate Professor Fresheron Mwesigwa yanya kusima abona buri no bakwatiraho ebyo bwegiso kweturi hanga Uganda.
Abantu bingi bakozere bintu birungi. Konka it is not so common abantu kore bintu eby'abantu abandi. Ito abantu bakukira bwingi ntukore bitu. My family and I. Full stop.
Over 200 were the 19th. So tukakoraje mnonga. Ekindi to thank the family of the late John Kamabare. This building yetuhire.
Abatiramani ombombeka abanabo basimwa omuringo gomtano.
Zombi buru mnonga na Yesu akabuza ati mwine hoki. My Lord Bishop, through our wisdom tukaja mutitandike mpora tutera matafari twareta omushenyi twatera blocks zitu twazita. We had a number about 7,000
latrines tuzikozire hatwaza kusinkinga amizi ntuje gukora toilets kuonga twazikora nazo zigumeze nungi.
Yes.
Ishomerere ryecherire bindi bintu byo gukora byo mutano omuro konja kutunga mizi marungi projects zanje kutahiza ishomero okupevinga ishomero okombeka gate nebindi benji omugani twazo muri Bushenyi erizo batongoza kombeka ebyombeko rwogoma na munonga byoboraro bwabisiki alchizo ba Girls Senior Secondary School ebintu byo kumaraho billion mukaga na million 10 ebyombeke ebintu bajangu nibikubamo esi ebinabiro by'umurembe aho kushomera kandi cyombeko nkija kombekwa aba National Housing.
In terms of this funding and financing, we want to thank the school that this project has adopted a pre-financing framework. Pre-financing meaning that the contractor will come up front with some funding to the project, and then the school, along the way, over the period, they will be mobilizing resources to meet the cost of construction.
Please, also, of course, use high quality materials. I know, of course, I know you know better what I'm talking about, but I'm only highlighting so we don't take anything for granted. This is on record. We are here to launch, aren't we? We are here to break the ground. And so these words are key. You called mine a keynote address. So take note.
It will provide safe, comfortable, and adequate accommodation, thereby enhancing discipline, academic focus, and overall being of our learners. To our staff, I commend you for your dedication and resilience.
Obrarobo nubuja kubana baraza abeje bitano babatiremo ebitanda bya single style deka echombeke eki nkije kumara amezi 18 gonka okombekwa.
Over Girls Secondary School is very stable now and ready to move and achieve to its greatest heights that have been proposed in our strategic plan.
Our TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon na Michael Atwachire.